In order to create Pokemon, we first need to understand what's Pokemon. We need wacky animals that we can abduct by throwing balls at them and have them fight for us. And we need some microwave doctors. And that's about it, I think. Let me start by drawing our player. Now that's one ugly ass bit. Then we need some tiles. Now thanks to the tileset we just made, we can easily draw our map inside Unity. We can now drop our player and set up some basic movement. So if I press down, he goes down. I'm sorry, but as much as I love you, you are very not looking good. So I decided to draw another player, and I might as well just draw some animations. The secret for a good walking is the feet from Club Penguin. You might notice that if you go in diagonal, you're fast as fuck. And that's very easy to fix, I just have to normalize my vectors. Very easy to fix. Alright, my vectors are normalized, now let's make some grass. Because before being trapped in our balls, Pokemons are trapped in grass. Now let's make some ocean. And now we are drowning. And now we are Jesus. We can fix this by just adding invisible walls. And there we go, no more problems. Ah, fuck. And there we go, no more problems. Now let's make some houses. We need our home, we need a gym, we need some shop, and we need the healing place thing, hospital, whatever. Now let's make some Pokemons! Yeah, more drawing! Making Pokemons is like stealing a candy from a child. It's fucking easy. Let's just take the 4 elements and some animals. Then you choose one animal, let's go for the cat, and one element. Let's take the fire. And we could make hot push. Okay, that's not push shot, yeah. We can take the earth or the grass with a dog and like instead of his hairs, it's like grass. Like the grass, it's a dog, but with grass, the grass. For the next ones, let's just take some random animals from the list of animals. Let's go for the Pycnonotus nigricans, and oh, that's a black crown crane. That's sick. Alright, crown crane it is. Then we'll go for a sloth. Cute. For the last one, we'll just take some simple neutral animal, like a beaver. For push-shot, I imagine a cat with like legs on fire. Nice. Fuck, that's ugly. Yeah. Good enough. I also made some UI, but I won't talk about it because honestly, who cares about buttons and arrows and text?
Now comes the most epic part. Coding.
Now, I know some of you might think, but you just said we don't give a fuck about text and coding is just text. But that's where you're wrong. Coding is amazing. Look at me coding 8 lines at a time. I can also code with 4 screens. That's oddly satisfying. And now, we can fight. That was my mouth, but this is missing some sound and some juice. So let's make some. Firstly, I'm gonna need a faster tempo. As the fight begins, we need that Chopin revolutionary shit. And this is my version. Yeah, that's my piano skills right there. Good thing I can just play the notes by hand. Now let's make some beats. Now the melody with this one maybe. Let's turn that shitty sound in a great one. Oh yeah, get those mediums. Now I need bass. Let's make some more magic. Ooh. And the final theme, vibe. And with some visual effects, more sounds and some very subtle animations, Now all we have to do left is adding some random things like getting a badge from the gym. Wow, have a bike. I'm too lazy to draw, but you are faster. Being able to switch Pokemon. Cool. Being able to catch Pokemon. Yep, that's important. Add abilities. Back to being Jesus. Adding mystery. Ooh, my house is locked. I wonder where is the key. Having a rival that you can name. Hey you, I don't like you. Now give me my name. A shop. A hill. And the gym that's way bigger on the inside, like it's a fucking TARDIS, with trainers that just harass you. And there we go, Pokemon is finished. But now comes the biggest part of game dev, playtesting. It means testing the game over and over until you have the right statistics, like how much damage a Pokemon makes or how much XP you gain from a fight and things like that. But I couldn't be fucked, so I made a text file next to the game and you can change it yourself. Anyway, that's it for me, and oh yeah, you might be wondering why I made this game. Well, I'm unemployed. Thank you for watching, comment down below what you'd like to see next. It can be a game I try to recreate, or an original concept of a game you want me to create. It can be anything, so yeah, go crazy. Like and subscribe, see ya.